Oh, the Charosa 62 and this delightful Sol de Janeiro conditioner. I love it so much. This is the Brazilian Joia conditioner. I tried it in a jet set and I had to have more of it. So I got the big bottle and it's so great. It smells so good. I put it on after the shampoo, let it sit a minute, and then rinse it out with warm water and style as usual.
Oh, and look at the results. The Soul Seal technology seals and repairs damaged hair, prevents future hair from damage. It is nourishing with Brazilian nut and strengthens and fights frizz with fruit oil. It is absolutely splendid. You will love the way the Shrosa 62 smells and the way your hair feels.